So, we have been working on a project. So I had an idea of doing a lemonade stand, but we added something to it. Birdhouses with all kinds of colors and birds. But today we wanted to add candle holders. Here it is. Basically, if there was, you
want to put some M&Ms in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's. So how it would work? Can I have my napkin that your water bottle was on? How it will work is I put that in there, the M&Ms go in it, then you pull it out, voila. And my dad made this.
Zoomed out, zoomed in.
Wait, what's it look like zoomed in?
Come see. Zoomed in.
Thank you.
But now I can't tell where I'm aiming. Because the view is completely out.
I can put it where it is though. So this is the lathe bag. Let's do spin, do spin, do spin another way. And so you see the eyes. There weren't enough googly eyes to make them to both sides, the same size. Owl, 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 owl. He's really nice. He likes to fall down like that. And I'm not joking, he does. That's why he just did it. You saw nothing. Okay. And that's that. This is Bob, this is Bob. This is Bob. Okay, Bob, you're being put away. Well, guys, I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Bye! Wait.
You have a whole list of everything.
Huh.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye. I already said the outro. I'm gonna cut this one bubble.